Alright, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new Box Lab 4K dash cam. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. Alright, here it is. So it does come with a 64GB microSD card for it. And then here's the dash cam itself. Damn, that is cool. It's got the adhesive up here. Very, very cool. It does let you know that there is a mic down here. We'll go ahead and remove this. And then here's where you put your Type-C, the micro SD, and then we can plug in our backup camera as well. You get the user manual and then some stickers so you know to align it well as long as the cleaning cloth for it. And then now let's look at this. So here's the backup camera for it. Here's the cigarette lighter option. Here's the power cable that'll go with that. So like I said, it is a Type-C. Here's like a little removal tool for it, as well as another adhesive for it as well. So just very quickly, we'll go ahead and actually install the micro SD card. Right up here. There you go, locked in place. All right, I just plugged it in, so as you can see, this is the first one. So we're gonna go ahead and just set it up real quick. We do want it in English. Go ahead and do that. Okay, we're in miles per hour. We'll go ahead and just leave that on. We'll just go ahead and leave that on.
Format memory card.
As you can see, it already came with the memory card on there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and format it. We'll go ahead and install it and then actually test it out.
Start recording.
Bam, ready to go. All right, let's actually set it up. All right, and this is what it looks like once you actually have it installed. So you can see super clear display. It's actually very, very nice. So let's go ahead and actually take it for a test drive and go ahead and test it out. All right, as you can see, this is the front camera. It is recording in true 4K Ultra HD, powered by the STARVIS 2 sensor. Notice how sharp the details are. You can easily make out road signs and even smaller markings on the pavement. The level of clarity is especially important if you ever need to capture evidence after an accident. One thing that I do want you to pay attention to is the wide field of view. The front camera covers 170 degrees, which means you're not just seeing what's ahead, but also on the neighboring lanes as well. That eliminates a lot of blind spots and gives you much safer driving perspective. Even as I move through shaded areas or direct sunlight, the wide dynamic range technology balances exposure, so you're still getting true to life footage. This is also where the STARVIS 2 sensor shines. It handles low light conditions better than most dash cams, so even at night, the footage stays bright and sharp. Another standout feature is a built-in GPS. Not only is the video in high quality, but it also logs your driving route and speed directly into the footage. If you ever have to review or share an incident, you'll have all those details recorded. Switching over to the rear camera, this one records in 1080 HD with a wide 150-degree view, perfect for backing up or monitoring tailgaters. You can clearly see what's happening behind you, and just like the front, it adjusts well to different lighting conditions. All right, guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new 4K dash cam, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.